In this video, I will show you how to set up Roblox Authenticator app on mobile. First of all, open the Roblox application. On the home screen, tap on the More tab at the bottom right corner. Here, scroll down and look for the Settings option. Tap on it. On the Settings screen, tap on the Security option. On the next screen, options for two-factor authentication will appear. Enable the toggle button right in front of the option Authenticator app very secure. Once it's enabled, Authenticator will set up and you will see a pop-up to enter a 6-digit code sent to your email. Close the Roblox application and open the Gmail app. Navigate to the email received by Roblox. Copy the code and go back to the Roblox application. Enter the code here. After that, it will be processed and another pop-up window will appear on the screen. At its top, you will see a link. This is the authentication link that you have to paste in the Authenticator app, and then a code will be generated which you need to provide here. After copying this code, close the Roblox application and open the Authenticator app on your device. If you don't already have it, open the Play Store or App Store and download the Authenticator app from there and sign up creating an account. After that, open it. You will see a plus icon to add a new account code details. Tap on it. On the code details page, tap on the first field and enter a name with which you want to save this code. Like if it's for Roblox, so type Roblox. Then in the next field, paste your earlier copied link that we copied from the Roblox application. After entering them both, tap on the add option. On the next screen, you will see your new generated code for your Roblox account, which is not currently showing here in this video due to the privacy policy settings of the app. Simply tap on this code to copy it. Go back to the Roblox application and paste it here. After entering the code, tap on verify. A few backup codes will appear which you need to save in your device for any future use. Take a screenshot and save them somewhere in your device. Now check this box on and tap on the close option. Your Roblox Authenticator app will be set up, and from now onwards, you have to enter a 6-digit code from the Authenticator app each time you try to sign into your Roblox account. And this is how you can set up Roblox Authenticator app on mobile.